how to add fisheye effect in Picsart. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add that effect easily. First of all, here in the middle, tap on this plus icon. Now you can create or open any of your older project. Here I'm opening a project. So you're in this editing platform now. Now on the bottom, you can see the option called effects. Tap on effects. Now here, swipe right and find the option called artistic. Tap on artistic. Again, swipe right until you find the option called fisheye. So it will be available right here. Now tap on fisheye. So this effect has been enabled. Now you can tap on it again. So there's this radius option. So you can manage it however you like. So according to the picture and according to where you want to put it, you can manage it. And at last, here on the top, tap on the stick button and you're done. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching.